Feeling a bit foggy lately? Like your brain just isn't as sharp as it used to be? You're not alone. Many of us experience that feeling of mild cognitive decline or brain fog. The good news is, your kitchen might hold some powerful, natural tools to help clear the clouds and support your brain health. Let's dive into some simple home remedies you can start using today. First up, let's talk about herbs. You probably have rosemary and sage in your spice rack right now. These aren't just for adding flavor to your favorite dishes. They contain amazing compounds that have been shown to support memory and focus. They work by helping to protect acetylcholine, a key neurotransmitter in your brain that's crucial for learning and memory. So, next time you're cooking, don't be shy with the rosemary and sage. You can also enjoy them as a soothing herbal tea. Just steep a fresh sprig in hot water for a few minutes. It's a simple, delicious way to give your brain a little boost. Next, let's get fruity with berries. Blueberries, blackberries, strawberries, basically, any deeply colored berry is a powerhouse of brain-protective nutrients. They are packed with antioxidants called anthocyanins. Think of these as your brain's personal bodyguards. They help protect your brain cells from damage caused by stress and inflammation, which are major contributors to brain fog. Adding a cup of mixed berries to your morning oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothie is an easy and delicious habit to get into. Frozen berries are just as good, so you can enjoy them year-round. Now, let's talk about healthy fats. Your brain is actually made up of about 60% fat, so it's vital to feed it the right kind. Walnuts and fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are fantastic sources of omega-3 fatty acids, especially one called DHA. DHA is a major building block of your brain's neurons. It helps keep your brain cells flexible and communicating effectively, which is essential for clear thinking and a sharp memory. A handful of walnuts makes a great afternoon snack, and aiming for 2 servings of fatty fish per week can make a real difference. Finally, let's spice things up with turmeric. This golden spice contains curcumin, a compound with powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It's been shown to boost something called brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF. You can think of BDNF as fertilizer for your brain. It helps existing neurons survive and encourages the growth of new ones. Here's a pro tip. Always pair turmeric with a pinch of black pepper. The piperine in black pepper dramatically increases your body's absorption of curcumin, making it much more effective. Sprinkle it on your eggs, in soups, or make a warm golden milk latte before bed. These are simple, natural ways to support your cognitive function from the comfort of your home. Remember, consistency is key. Incorporating these foods into your daily routine can help clear the fog and keep your mind sharp for years to come. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on living a healthier life. See you next time.